Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel porridge. First, let's create our luscious caramel base. Gently melt 100 grams of granulated sugar in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring until it becomes a beautiful amber liquid. Then, carefully whisk in 50 milliliters of warm cream until smooth. This forms the heart of our delicious dish. Next, we'll prepare the comforting porridge. In a separate pot, combine 50 grams of rolled oats with 300 milliliters of your preferred milk. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring frequently for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want the oats to become wonderfully tender and achieve a creamy consistency. Now for the magic. Carefully fold your freshly made caramel sauce into the warm, cooked porridge. Stir gently but thoroughly, ensuring every spoonful of oats is infused with that rich, sweet caramel flavor. A tiny pinch of sea salt at this stage truly elevates the taste, balancing the sweetness beautifully. Your exquisite caramel porridge is now ready to be savored. Ladle generous portions into your favorite bowls. For an extra touch of indulgence, you can drizzle a little more caramel on top or add a sprinkle of toasted nuts. Enjoy this warm, comforting, and utterly delicious treat right away.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.